Alright, I want to make this video here real quick, as long as the noise level holds out. It's festival time here in the Philippines, so there's a Pinot parade liable to break out any minute or whatever. I don't know. It's just a lot of noise. Anyways, it's Sunday afternoon here in the Philippines, but it's actually Sunday morning, New York time, 4:50 a.m. And so anyways, I didn't get to make a video because of the noise factor. There was just too much going on here, and there's no way. But anyways, now the past 3 weeks have not been real good as far as trading goes, and I mean it's just been really choppy. It's been up and down, and then with all the news going out and everything on, now the dogs are gonna start barking. I'm gonna pause this. Okay, thankfully that didn't last too long. Hopefully they hold out for a couple minutes while I make this video. But anyways, things were really choppy, and I was expecting the Euro USD to go down. It's with the trend line. I mean, with the trend, it is going down, but it's on a current uptick, and I'm waiting on it to go down some more. I just had it on the monthly chart, so this is going to take a second. But anyways, I'm waiting on it to go down. There was a couple of points there that um, I had thought it was going to go down and it didn't. But this is a perfect example and a great opportunity for me to show you about keeping your margin level up. Now, if you notice here, my margin level is 193. Now, that's 107 points below what I like, but that's why I keep a 300. I try to maintain, because if you need it, then it's there. Because if you hold out on these, now this here, this isn't something I use. This is something I was testing out, and I mean, I heard a lot of raves about it. It's supposedly an EA or something. I don't know, but I don't use EAs. I was just checking this one out, and then it left a scar on my computer as I took it off. I don't even have it in my indicators or my expert advisor folder anymore. I deleted it. It was crap. Don't believe the robot thing. You're better off learning how to read these charts. So anyways, that said, the this is where I had thought, these levels right here, um, all the way down to here. I thought it was going to keep going down. I think it was probably right in here somewhere, or even over here. I'm not sure. But I've been holding on to this one for a minute, and I kept thinking, well, it's going to go down now. It's going to go down. And then I got 3 orders out on sell. But it will go down because if that's why I had it on the monthly chart. Because it's due for a downtick. Now, there is a chance that it could go up, but if you look at the triangle-like flag here going up, you see these are trend lines, and if you scroll back on it and you look at this, see how it gets narrow and narrow as it gets up towards that point. Now, I'm just hoping it don't take my stop losses before that, but I don't think it will, because that's a lot of pips right there. You're talking about, well, it's a lot of points. I'm going to start calling them points. 625 points and, 700, something like that. Anyways, it's a lot. It don't look like a lot when it's scrolled back, but that's a lot. So, and it's doing the up and down, the higher highs and lower lows. Now, this one here kind of evened out, and then this is a major support resistance line here. I doubt it'll get up that far, but if it does get up that far, it'll take out all my stop losses, and I'm over $6,000, almost $7,000 down now. But I don't think that's going to happen, and who knows, I can always move my stop losses too, because it will go down. It will go down. That's what the euro does. It goes up a little bit, but it goes down too. Now, the bad part about holding out in your margin level here is I can't do anything else. This is all Euro USD. Those are the 3 trades that I've got out, and I can't do anything else because my margin level is too low. Now, with that said, I mean, you can't make any money if you can't trade. But at the same time, I would just as soon not make money as lose money. Because if I close all these out, I'm going to lose almost $7,000. That'll take me back down to where I, started taking this seriously again. But the market's been crazy here the past few weeks now. First it was all the non-farm payroll and all the PMIs and everything else, and then there has been some extra stuff plus the quarterly reports, things like that. So there's been a lot of activity going on, and I look for it to straighten out here real soon, probably this week coming, and we'll see where it goes tomorrow morning, which would be tomorrow morning my time, tomorrow your time, tomorrow afternoon New York time. So anyways, no, it would be this afternoon New York time, maybe tomorrow morning for me. But anyways, we'll see where this goes. But I think it's gonna start moving down here pretty soon, because it did make some major moves in that direction before. So let's see, that's the 4-hour chart. I don't really look at the 1-hour chart, but see, it started to move down a little bit, but it had made a major move down there, and then it kind of went back up, and it's doing the higher highs and lower lows. But see, it's doing that head and shoulders thing. I don't really like that head and shoulders tactic, but a lot of times it works. I mean, because this would be considered like a reverse pennant. Now it is above my custom moving average, but the candle's indicating down. So if it moves down below that custom moving average and I get a candle on a 1-hour chart that closes out, then I know it's going to start to go down more. I have these stop losses set so that I take the lowest one first. So I mean, if it goes up that far, like I said, you're looking at another 70 pips or 700 points or whatever. So anyways, the noise level here in the Philippines is holding out for just a minute while I make this video, so I'm going to wrap this up. That's it. I did meet my goal. I said I wanted to make it over $13,000 before the end of the week, and I did that. So anyways, that's it for now.